Here I'm discuss very important one. You're creating a profile. People ask one question. Can you migrate your profile as a page likes? Or you can convert as a business page. We can migrate also. That what the benefit is called. Your profile as a convert as a brand page. And one more question here. Your profile will not delete it. Profile is there as it is. Your profile migrate to the page. What is the benefit? That is called your brand page. How many friends you have in your profile and your requesting friends is converted as a page likes. It's converted as a page likes. We already converting to your my page. I'm showing for how we can convert is the option. That is called they are following for 4 steps. This is a URL. facebook.com/pages/create/migrate. When you click this option, they're showing for this option. They're showing to this option. Is already migrate. Once you migrate this option, they're asking for 4 steps. First step, go to my page. Second step, add the category. Third step, add your profile pic. Fourth one, add your cover image. This option. But here we can adding for creating new page time. Existing one, add your category, your likes or your friends will connect into the page like option. If you go to the new page time, asking for 4 questions. Go to your page, category, and your profile pic and cover image. As a new existing profile, convert as a page. Add the category, your Facebook page friends, and your followers, convert as a likes. Here, one more question. Sir, my friends will be 100 members are there. Can I convert into 100 as a my page likes? We can convert into 100 as a page likes. Suppose some people not interested to like my page, we can deactivate also. Finally, the page show your customer like this. Once your page will be designed, you can change your profile name also. Profile name also. This compulsory keep it in mind. Your profile will be migrate your page, your profile friends and requesting friends and followers convert as a page likes. Your followers, your friends and your requesting friends. Somebody is requesting a friend request. The people are converting as a page likes. Here one more thing is called, if any friend is not interested to like your page, we can deactivate also. These are the points to convert in the profile to page. So I'm not, why I'm not showing this one? I'm already done by my profile as a page. So how many friends are there is a convert into my page likes. 1125 likes will be profile to page likes will be converted. So that is called the URL compulsory mandatory. facebook.com/pages/create/migrate. This you are keep in mind to convert into profile to brand page.